start. You were a thief, you stole my heart, and I'm your willing victim. I'll let you see the parts of me that were not that pretty, and with every touch you fix them. Now you've been talking in your sleeves. Oh, things you never say to me. Oh, tell me that you had enough of our loves, our loves.
If you'd like to help me out with my cover on a male's voice, send me an inbox. If I think our voices can match out fine, I'll answer you back. Make sure it's in an inbox. I want to know you're serious about it. Until then, love you all and spread the love.